I need a jet, shit. I need room for my legs. I got a baby, I need some money, yeah. I need cheese for my egg. All y'all bitches in trouble. Bring brass knuckles to scuffle. I heard that Cardi went pop, yeah. I did go pop, pop. That's me busting that bubble. I'm deciding with the drip. Baby mommy with the clip. Walk out bodies with a bitch. Bring a thotty to the whip. If she fine or she fake. God damn, walking past the mirror. Ooh, feeling fine. Let a bitch try me. Ooh, hammer time.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello. Welcome to all of you to my birthday. Guys, it's my birthday today. Literally, this is shot today. In the early hours of the morning. So you know I was up and ready for Oyama Day. Guys, birthdays are so special to me. First of all, I'm really excited about my birthday. I don't know why, but I'm really excited about my birthday. I am not trying to have anything spoil my day. So let's just get a couple of things clear. One, if you're thinking of confronting me today, don't. If you're thinking of getting upset with me or saying something stupid, or even thinking of doing something stupid, if you're thinking of acting stupid, if you're thinking of being frowny or upset with me, just don't. Maybe try doing that after 11:59 p.m. today. That would be great, because I am not about to let anything or anyone spoil my day. Are we clear? Guys, can we just please say happy birthday to my mom? Because look at my face. Mama, Makazi, thank you for this face. Like, God is like, Zofana Nani. Welcome to another beautiful day. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. I did. Hope you guys, in fact, I hope you had an amazing past 7 days. And that your next couple of 7 days will be awesome. I know mine will be. I'm really excited. Sorry about my funny voice. I've got flu. It started yesterday. Can you just imagine? The devil was trying me. He even tried the rain, but it didn't work. Today's my birthday, and today's video is not necessarily a video like I shot or whatever. It's just something that I'm dedicating to my family, because guys, it's not easy dealing with someone of Ananam, guys. It's really not. Just take this as a thank you. Just thank you guys for loving me and just always being there and always making me happy. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So to my birthday squad, what up? Hellos, babes. Bolava, bantwam. I have videos upon videos upon. So I love you guys. Happy birthday for yesterday to Inganati. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to Coco. Coco, I love you, lava. I love you, my baby girl. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day tomorrow. I know you will, because I will call you. But still, we'll start today. Happy birthday, lava.
I don't have a boyfriend. Boyfriends are going to. Boyfriends are they're sad boys.
Sad.
Aftercare.
You go to aftercare.
Nice.
How's aftercare?
Chomap. Em còn quỳ đoan. I make it sense for that Oyama ngicela uzifaka kwi-channel yakho le video. Wacela ufaka kwi-channel yakho le video.
Hell yeah. You know what I'm saying?
So this guy will tell me that basically what I'm gonna say was yesterday. Like okay, what happened is I was like, yeah, what happened? Like you educated. Like that guy was like, you one nigga.
And those brown eyes, yes.
One nigga.
The one that I desire.
So when the director yells cut, with me fine, sing! I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever? Yeah, forever.
Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and click on the notification bell to get notifications every time I post. Thank you for liking my video. I'm pretty to those who like it. Wow, assuming that people like my video. But anyways, thank you so much guys, and thank you to the people who have already called me and wished me a happy birthday. I love you guys so much, guys who called me, text me, people who have sent me DMs. Thank you. I love you with all my heart. So enjoy the rest of your week. Ah!